at 10 p.m. At 9 p.m. I put my biscuit, and then we put the biscuit and just sleep and done. My whole day routine.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Now you can't tell your whole day routine because ma'am joined. Oh, hi.
Yeah, just give me a second, children. Just give me.
Konnichiwa. Ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute.
Can you say what you do in full day? Yeah, what's your day? What's your routine? Can I say first? Can I say?
Yes.
Yeah, I already said my routine.
Yeah, you can tell your routine. You can tell your routine.
I already did. On a 5 o'clock, then I do something and I eat and then I go to sleep. Then I wake up on 9:40 or 9:30 and then I change. No, not change. I only brush and washroom and everything. And then I sit to the class and mom gives me a breakfast and then I eat and attend the class. Then the whole class is finished. Then I go and I play with my brother for some time. And then I was free, so I sit and then I eat lunch. Then I eat lunch. Then for lunch. Then I go to another class. There is one more class. So I attend that class 3 to 4:30. I have that class, and then I attend that class, and then I eat something, and I make something to eat, and what I do? Then I play for some time with my brother, and then I see a mobile, and then it is evening. Then in evening I do only time pass. I go to my chachi's room and every room to time pass, and I always be like very musty close to everyone. So I go every room every time. Time to time I have it. Then I go to that, and then on 9 o'clock I do dinner, and then my mom do all the things, and then we watch a TV with my daddy because she likes to see the TV because she's born now. So that's why she in night she see the 1 hour TV, and then we go to sleep.
Oh, wow. That's an amazing timetable. Good. Who's going next?
Hey, Khadija.
1 minute, huh, children? Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah,
Ma'am, after Khadija, me. After Khadija.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start. Okay, I'll start. So, in the morning, I wake up at 8:30 or 8:40 or 8:50. Okay, and then I eat breakfast, and then I do some Quran work, and then I get ready for 5 minutes for class. Then I take class, and after class, I play with my brother and eat food, eat lunch, okay? And then after lunch, I do some more playing with my little brother and sometimes do more Quran, okay? And also, what was it? Yeah, and then my mother and
You
my
forgot
brother.
bathing and brushing. You forgot bathing and brushing.
Yeah, sorry about, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, that. Okay, and then then my mother and my his little brother go to sleep. Okay, and then I watch TV for 1 hour, 2 hour, I don't know. Whenever my mom wakes up, then I just close the TV. Okay, and then I pray namaz at her when she tells me to.
What do you do?
I pray namaz at her when my mom tells me to.
You pray namaz. Okay, then
Then after that, I do some more playing with my little brother, and then I do dinner. Okay. You also do your homework. Yeah, I do my homework in the evening sometimes. Okay, and then I play with my little brother, and also I do my sabki in the evening. And then I pray.
What do you do in the evening? I didn't get you. What?
I do my sabki.
What is that?
It's Quran.
Quran. You read the Quran.
Yeah, I read the Quran. Okay.
Oh,
and then,
okay. That's nice.
And then I play with my little brother, and then I eat my dinner, and then I brush my teeth and go to sleep.
Okay, so
And
you
also
read the Quran
sometimes-
2 times in a day, Khadija. Yeah, is that how I understand?
Ma'am, and then and also sometimes after Maghrib, I go to my daddy and dada's house because my dada is little sick.
Oh, okay. All right. Good to know that. Lovely. Okay. Now we're going to ask. Nice. So, Khadija, you read the Quran 2 times in a day?
Good morning.
Oh, that's a good habit. Okay. Yes, Musfira Sayyad.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Amara.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes.
first I wake up at 5 o'clock, pray my Fajr namaz, and then pray my Fajr namaz, and then I brush my teeth. I actually brush my teeth and bath. I do those things really early. And sometimes I stay up and read Quran, or sometimes I just sleep with my brother and my father. But most of the times I stay up. I help my mom in the kitchen for dinner. For breakfast. And then we eat. My family eats. We eat the dinner. Then
Breakfast.
we eat breakfast, and then after that, it's my class. So I quickly sometimes I swish the plate like whoosh, and I get the phone, and like I need to join the class, and I'm so fast. And when it turns out that I joined so early, then I eat my breakfast. I finish my whole breakfast, and then everybody joins, so I just wash my hands, attend the class, and then after that, all 3 classes are done.
You get up every day at 5 o'clock, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ma'am, me too. I also wake up every day.
Yes, I know. But then you go back to sleep also, right, Musfira Rizwani?
Yeah, because my mom says to me, do little bit rest.
Okay.
Listen. Then after my classes are done, I kind of fresh up because I'm really tired after the class. I fresh up, wash my face, get myself awake. Because I kind of feel a lot of sleepy after class.
Mm-hmm.
So after that I read, a little my books. I read books for like 10 or 5 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes I read books. Do some of my homework. And then I watch TV. I watch TV 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, sorry. 30 minutes. Half an hour. And then after that, I have one more class, 3 to 4. We attend the same class, me and Mr. Rajwani. 3 to 4, there's both our class. We attend that class, and after that class, I read a little more books. First, I get fresh up like I did before, and then I read a little bit more books, and I watch TV. Half an hour again, and then sometimes I need to sleep because like I'm really tired of all of the things that I did. So I sleep maybe 10 or 5 minutes, or sometimes I don't even sleep. I'm like full of energy. I just want to play. So I play with my brother, sometimes with my mom or dad when they're free, because most of the time my dad is like outside. So whenever he comes home and he's not tired that much, and he's like all free. So I sometimes play with him, and sometimes if that happens with my mom, I play with him or her, and sometimes I play with my brother too. After that, playing with my family, I kind of get too tired, so I fresh up, read Quran. Then it's like it's almost night, but it's not night. It's almost night. The moon is like coming. So, so I just I kind of when the thing is done. So I feel lot really padaku. I feel a lot that kind of like I want to do something. So sometimes what I do, I prank my brother. I prank my brother. He also laughs when he gets pranked. I laugh so much. I can't stop. My tummy pains. My tummy pains when I laugh. So then I have got to do some my mom's things. Like my mom also give me homework. I mean, when my mom says write 1 page, I write 1 page. When my mom says to read, I read. So I do all of that. Then when it's finally 9 p.m., I just brush my teeth. We put the biscuit, and
Off to bed.
I just yeah, I'm bang on the bed and I'm sleeping. I don't want to do anything. I'm like just slept, and I do the same thing the other day, the same thing the other day, the same thing the other day. So it's like my full day.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wake up on 5 o'clock, but I sleep because if I will not sleep now, so I will be weak. One time I did it. So that's why I stay awake.
What happened, Mushira Rizwani? What happened?
If I will not sleep now, so I will be weak.
Yeah, you will be weak. Yeah. Yes, Ali. What is your day like?
That's why I sleep at evening after my class. I don't know. I get freshed up and then I sleep again. Ma'am, can you say your routine, please?
My routine. Okay.
I say mine. I didn't say it.
What we'll do is we'll listen to everybody and then I'll tell my routine. Okay.
No. Okay.
Yeah, सबको chance मिलना चाहिए, right? Okay. Ali, can you tell me your routine? What's your routine?
First, I get up and do brush.
I can't see you, Ali.
I brush and I go to I eat Breakfast. Yeah, we are. I know breakfast. And then I take the school. I do the school. And 10 to 1. I do school. Ali, you don't bath. You don't bath. 1 to 2. I rest a little. I think you.
Musfira Sayyed, let him speak. Let him tell. Don't interrupt him.
And 2 to 4, there is my 2 to 4, there is my class and Quran class. Then I do Quran and come again at 4 o'clock. Then for some time I play with my brother for some time. And my teacher come and I read again Quran. Then I go down to play in the swing slide wide, and I come at 7 o'clock and I see mobile, and then at 7 to 8 we eat. No, 7 to 8 we see, and 8 to 9 we eat. Then 9 o'clock we sleep.
Okay, very nice. Good. Amir, what's your schedule like?
11 o'clock.
Amir, what's your schedule? What do you do?
And my brother always sleep on 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock.
Okay, great. Yes, Amara, I'd like to hear your schedule.
Ma'am, after Amara, can I go?
Yes, you can go. Yes, Amara.
First, I wake up in the morning. But actually, today I woke up 9 o'clock. I'm waking from now 9 o'clock because my Quran's competition is there. That's why I do 9 o'clock my Quran's competition. Then I'm 10 o'clock our class will be. Then 2 o'clock again my class will be. 3 o'clock it will end, and 4 o'clock. Always you do Quran competition. You read Quran. I'm learning Quran. Quran competition. I am learning Quran. I think you are that competition. Let she want to say the full routine.
Okay, then Amara, what do you do?
Then 4 o'clock my sisters are babies. Then after that we see little movie. Then we start for study. Then I eat my dinner. Then we sleep.
Okay, interesting. Nice. Okay, Mariam, can you tell me your routine?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I want to tell something.
Oh, she's not finished.
Sometimes the Wi-Fi is not there. A movie can be play.
Okay, okay, that's nice. That's interesting. Great. Then you're done. Okay. Yes, Mariam Khan.
Ma'am, I wake up 9 o'clock or 9:30. Then I brush my teeth and I fresh. So 10 o'clock I have my class this. And 1 o'clock I watch TV. And normally 2 o'clock that's my Arabic, but I am in my village, so I have no Arabic. So I eat. So I eat dinner. I eat dinner. Then I dinners. Then I watch TV. TV for 4:30. Then I play outside for 7 o'clock. I come home 7 o'clock. Then I'm free, so I play with my sisters. Then 10 o'clock, my mom made dinner. Then we eat and go to sleep.
Okay, very nice, interesting. Good. And Zainab, what is your schedule like?
My schedule is that I wake up at the morning, then I brush my teeth, I take bath, and then I do my studies and school stuff. After I do that, I have my I have other class, so I do that, and then we do watching. We have to eat food, then we do watching, and then we like play after that, and then we go down to play something, and then after we go down we come up, we pray our prayers, then we start playing again, and then we watch, then we read our books, then we go to sleep, and my mother also reads a book for us, and then we go to sleep. Then
Okay, that's very nice, very interesting. Good. Ryan, what is your this like, Ryan? Hello, Ryan. Okay, I guess Ryan and Amir are very shy to share what they do. Okay, so finally the time is come now to tell what my schedule looks like. Well, I have a very, I always wished that I had more than 24 hours, because from the time I get up in the morning till midnight, I'm on my feet. Okay. So basically, what happens is I get up at around 7:30 to 8 in the morning. Okay, and I'm not a morning person. I can't get up in the morning. That's not me. I get up at 8 in the morning, and then I brush my teeth. And I clean my full house. Okay, I sweep my full house. I clean the bathrooms and everything, and then afterwards, I just take a bath and everything, and then I go and go into the kitchen. When I go into the kitchen, our breakfast is very simple. We don't go very fancy. I just take a bread and some, cheese or something like that. Shortcut, just take it and a cup of tea. Okay, dip tea, and my breakfast is done. Okay. But before that, we say our prayers. And then together, my husband and me, we have a breakfast together. After that, I see to the lunch, because we have to cook lunch. So I see, like, what I will cook for the week. So according to that timetable, and I know I have to cook this, so then I just get it ready. Okay, chawal, like rice, dal, whatever is needed to be cooked, I just do it quickly, jhatpat se, and then I am ready by 10 o'clock to for my class. Okay, so then from 10 to 12, I don't like to keep anything in between. It's solely for my children. Okay, so like from 10 till you can say 12:45. 12:45 basically. It is solely for my children. Okay, so there the time goes. Then 12:45, I go after my thing. I just freshen up, and then I have to go in the kitchen and I have to serve everybody, because I have my husband, I have my uncle, my mother-in-law, everybody's there, right? So I have to see that everybody gets food. Okay. Then we all sit, we say our prayers, we eat our food, and then afterwards, I wash the burtan, wipe it, keep it in place, and then afterwards I just rest for around, like, half an hour, because I badly need that rest, because after everything I'm so tired. I rest for some time, and then I get up. Actually, I'm also doing I'm also doing some kind of education. Okay, so I have to study for that. So what I do is like if I finished my lunch at say 1:32, then by like say 2:30 I get up and I sit with my books because I have a lot of things to study. So then at least like 45 minutes I take my time for my study. Okay, जो भी है study assignments, all of that I do it in that time. So I do it like from 2:30 till 4 o'clock. I just do that only. Then what I do is 4 o'clock. We have tea, so it's my husband who makes tea. We make tea. We have tea, and then I just do it a shortcut. Whatever is in the afternoon, we eat the same thing for the night, right? So I don't take the stress in that. And then afterwards what I do is I of course I have to prepare for your classes too. So I just have my tea, then 4:30 to 5:30 I spend time about what I'm going to teach you, how I'm going to teach you, all that. Okay, then 5:30 I am like kind of free, and I think like, okay, I need to do something, but that time never comes because something or the other comes. So then afterwards I have to like do other things like maybe helping my husband with some work which he has to do, which is pending, and do that. And then time goes, and then till 7 o'clock we are like done. Then 7 o'clock I have my other jobs to do, like my personal work. um I have to, because we my husband has a business, right? So I have to help him in that business, so that time goes in that. And then by 8 o'clock I am like done. And then 8:30 I take a bath again, and then we have our dinner. We I'm Christian, so I read Bible. So I read the Bible at least for 1 hour, because I really need, that's like my time of concentration where I feel I need to read it. So I read the Bible, and then afterwards I pray to God. I tell him whatever, how the day was, etc. And then before we go to sleep, my husband prays, we together pray. And then afterwards, I work in the night also. So what I do is I try to sleep by 10. Okay, I try to sleep by 10 because I have classes in the morning at around 3 and 4 in the morning. So I get up in the morning again.
You also sleep at 10 o'clock only.
Yeah. And then I sleep at 10 and I put an alarm at 2 o'clock in the morning because I have to get up at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock I get up, I take my class 3 to 4, and then afterwards it depends. And then afterwards I go back to sleep. I get up at 8 o'clock, and then it goes again. And then so certain days I have like between 4 to 6 we have our Bible meeting. So that is where I'm busy for 2 hours. We have it on Wednesday. Okay, so that 2 hours udhar jata hai. And my other courses that I'm doing, my other education, that happens on Thursday and Saturday. So that is another hour I have to give there, and I have to study so much. And time just goes, and then I wish like I had like more hours to complete more things that I have. So it's a very how you say, do the thing. If I don't follow it, I will be lost. So that is why I do all these things. Yeah, my schedule is boring.
You should be happy of the 24 hours because other planets have only half a day or so much less hours.
Yeah, but
Ma'am,
I have just got so many things to do. I've got so many things to do that I feel that those hours are not enough. I mean, you ask anybody my age. Now you are small. When you grow big, right, and you're my age, you will realize that 24 hours are not enough. You need more. And I have to see to everything. Whatever is there, I have to see, because I cannot depend on anybody else. Nobody's going to do it, right? Do it yourself. Yeah. Ask your moms. I mean, all of you have moms, right? Ask your moms how busy they are.
Ma'am, I think the time is already up. Look. It's already 12:35.
Oh yeah, it's already up. Anyway, but we had a very good conversation. We had a very good conversation, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we got to know one another, how it is, what it is.
12:35. After 12:35.
Oh, and I forgot to mention. I do watch different series on Netflix sometimes when I get the time. It's not every time, it's not possible every time. But whenever I get the
We see always we see always on Saturday, Sunday. So you have this, you have that, you have to go. You only see on Saturday, Sunday. I just see movies.
actually, I watched one Netflix series on Saturday. Last Saturday, I watched. Yeah, I remember now. Last Saturday, and then after that, I was so busy with other things.
What was the movie name? All Saturday I watched.
Actually, I am watching right now The Crown.
Brown.
It's for not suitable for you to watch. It's for adults. Yeah, so don't watch.
Ma'am, Mr. Rizwani, I want to say something.
Yeah, tell me.
After lunch, we see always on Saturday, Sunday. After breakfast, we have a big TV, so we have a Netflix and Amazon Prime and everything. So we see all on Saturday, Sunday 2 to 3 movies on Netflix.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
And I do homework. On Monday I do homework. Do you have a daughter?
Me? Do I have a daughter? No. No.
You have a you have a son or daughter? Ma'am.
Yes.
No, she doesn't have. You told that mouse movie I cannot find on Prime movie.
Ratatouille.
Find it, ma'am.
You'll find it on Netflix.
Netflix. The code is changed. I don't go to Netflix now. Netflix doesn't work.
Okay, I don't know about that. I'll let you know. I don't know much about it because I'm not regular on Netflix.
Share the link of the TV and WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Link up.
No, I don't have children yet. I don't have
And we
children
will
yet.
watch with popcorn.
Sorry?
Ma'am, if you share the link of the movie now, we will be watching with.
Oh, I don't know how to send the link. I don't know how to do that. I'm very bad at these things. I'm not tech savvy.
Does sir know? Sir does.
Yeah. So it was an amazing class. Thank you so much, children. Yeah.
So tell him to do. So tell him to do that.
Tell whom to do.
Your husband. You told your husband knows how to do that.
Yeah, he knows how to do that. I'll ask him. I'll ask him if we can do that. Okay. I'll ask
Yes. Then. In WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you know in RTV we can connect to our mobile. We can connect to our mobile the screen. Yeah, my TV can also connect to mobile. My TV can also connect to mobile. Same here.
Oh, I see.
If on my TV it
Not
don't
aware about all these things.
If on my TV it don't come, so we search on laptop and on laptop it comes we do screen mirroring on TV. Screen mirroring and we share that movie and we watch.
Okay. So actually it was amazing talking to all of you and I was so happy to know everybody. Yeah. Take care and bye. Love you all.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, we didn't got anything to learn. We just learned each other's
It's okay. We did
Yes.
speaking today. Speaking. It's okay. Bye.